So we finally get a chance to play a game on Google's Stadia. Of course, it was the same game they've been kind of showing off and demoing even back in this beta, back when it was Project Stream, which is Assassin's Creed, some subtitle, I forget. Not a big fan of the game. Let's start off with the controller. So the controller, it's based off of, all modern gaming controllers, which is, PS4, Xbox kind of situation. You got, buttons, triggers, 4 buttons here, D-pad, 2 joysticks. But they added a Google Assistant button and then a capture button. And then there's a button in the center for syncing it with everything. So it felt natural to play, just grab a controller and go, and it just felt like you were playing any other console. The crazy thing is that we were playing off a Pixelbook. Even though it's running Chrome OS, it's still a capable machine. So we were running that just straight. This controller was hooked up to the Pixelbook, and then then cable to the TV, and that's it. That's all we're running with. The gameplay itself was pretty fluid. It didn't feel like anything else. It didn't feel like I was, using some game streaming service. It felt like I was playing it off a console. It felt smooth. The pause, to go to a menu, go back into the game. There was no lag, no issues, no stutters from our end. But that was, we spent maybe about 5 to 7 minutes there. So we weren't there all day playing. But from the time we got to check it out, it ran pretty smooth, as well as advertised. They also mentioned that they wanted to, make it a multi-platform. So say you're using Google Stadia and you want to play multiplayer on somebody on the Xbox or PS4, they want to make that option available. They just got to make sure that everybody plays, because PS4, Sony, for some reason they take a while to get this cross-platform thing going. There's still a lot we don't know. We still don't know what kind of bandwidth they're gonna need. Still don't know pricing, don't know launch time, what other games it's gonna come with. But from what I've seen, I'm impressed. It worked well. The gameplay was smooth. And yeah, I'm just like everybody else, I'm waiting for more information. But let me tell you that it works as advertised. So thank you for checking us out for all of our Google I/O 19 coverage. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Peace.